If you want your computer to run better, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll give you some CMD commands that actually work. If you've liked the video and subscribed, let's get to the codes. I'll write the codes from the video in the description. Number 1. System file repair. It checks for corrupted Windows system files and fixes them. Random stutters are reduced. Right after that, it's a good idea to enter this code. Windows services will run more stably. It fixes issues that SFC can't repair. It's especially useful for those who have problems after updates. Number 2. Disk and file system. It scans the disk and checks for file system errors. Freezing while loading assets during gameplay is reduced. Micro-freezes in open-world games are lowered. Number 3. Power and CPU behavior. It enables the hidden Ultimate Performance Power Plan. CPU boost won't drop, clock fluctuations are reduced, 1% low FPS improves. It drains battery on laptops, but it's a clear gain on desktops. Number 4. DNS cache cleanup for online gaming. It removes old or corrupted DNS records. It's not related to FPS, but it's useful if you play online.